How to monetize Instagram account. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top corner. Then go to the Professional section under Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account and tap Next. Now you'll see a profile category selector. This tells Instagram what you do, like digital creator, editor, or education, so it can show the right tools, insights, and help you reach the right audience. I'm choosing digital creator. Then tap Switch to Professional Account. Next, pick your professional category, either creator or business. This step is required, otherwise monetization options won't appear. I'm picking creator, then tap Next. On the next page, you can choose to receive promotional emails. I'm turning this off and tapping Next. Here's a simple breakdown of the Setup Your Professional Account page. Get Inspired shows examples from other creators or brands to give ideas on using Instagram professionally. Meta Verified for $119, option to get a verified badge for more trust and visibility. You can skip any of these and set them up later. Now, go to your profile and open the professional dashboard. Go to Settings. Then Monetization Status. This shows if your account can earn money through ads, badges, subscriptions, or Reels bonuses, and tracks your progress toward monetization. In the Creator section, you can also set up payments. Instagram monetization tools include earning from ads, branded content, partnerships, promotions, or linking your profile to a shop to sell products directly. And there's more. Having trouble? Drop a comment. Thanks for watching.